In this video, I'm going to show you how to convert a PDF file to a Word document in a few simple steps, without any software at all. All you need is Microsoft Word. I'll show you how to do it in seconds. Let's get started. As you can see on my screen, I have a PDF file here. It's a hospital literature review that I wrote for my class. It has some text and some images, but I can't edit them in the PDF format. So I want to convert it to a Word document, where I can make changes easily. To do that, the first thing you need is Microsoft Word. So right-click on the PDF file and select Open With. Then choose Word from the list of options. You will see a pop-up window like this, saying that Word will now convert your PDF to an editable Word document. Just click OK and wait for a few seconds. And there you go, your PDF file is now converted to a Word document. You can see that the text and the images are the same, but now you can edit them as you wish. For example, I can delete some text here or add some words here. I can also move or resize the images like this. You can do whatever you want with your converted PDF file. Just remember to save it as a Word document when you're done. And that's it. That's how you convert a PDF file to a Word document. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.